back to my channel. I am bringing you guys along this weekend. I had a lot of fun last weekend vlogging, so I thought, why not bring you guys along again. This morning I made a really yummy breakfast casserole, which I will share the details later because I'm currently in the car and I need to head out right away because I'm at a Pilates class, a reformer Pilates class. I had purchased a 10-course pass for this place, and this is the first time that I'm using one of the passes or one of the courses since I bought the pass in December. So yeah, and today's March 1st, so happy March. Spring is almost here, summer is almost here as well, so exciting. So yeah, I'm gonna go head in and go to my Pilates class. It's only the second time I've been here in December, and now this is my second time. So I'm still getting used to it, but I'm really excited. Let's go do Pilates. I'll see how much I can like film in there. I don't think I'm gonna film, but I'll film on my phone. Guys, class is done. That one was hard. That was really hard. I've only done Reformers Pilates once. This was my second time, as I mentioned, but oh my god, like that was so hard. And I've been doing Pilates, so I kind of like know what to expect when it comes to Pilates. But Reformer Pilates, oh, that was hard, but such a good workout. I'm so happy it's done. I'm now heading to pick up my fiance. He's at the gym. I dropped him off at the gym, so I'm gonna go pick him up and then we're gonna go grab Starbucks. I went to Starbucks yesterday for the first time in like months, and I got a brown sugar shaken espresso. When they came out with that drink, I had that drink and it was meh to me. I thought it was like okay, but it wasn't great. And then I had it yesterday and I was like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever. And it's also calorie friendly somewhat. So yeah, let's go pick up the fiance and then let's go grab some Starbucks. Also, I was really proud of my Pilates braid today. I feel like this is very Pilates princess. I tried to like slick back, but by the end of the class, like obviously my hair is all over my face. So let's go. I want coffee. It's already like 10:55, so let's go. Fiance is driving. I was kind of fed up. I didn't want to drive anymore. The roads are absolutely disgusting. They are like, the roads are a shit show right now. There's just snow everywhere. Let me show you guys. It doesn't look that bad on camera.
Literally a second ago, the street we were,
it's full of snow. Actually, maybe I can like show like the streets here. Like, can you guys see? Like, there's like the plows have not passed yet. So, oh, be careful with the bus. But we did get our Starbucks. Yes. Cheers. So excited. It smells like French toast. That's what it smells like. Did you smell it? It smells like French toast. It smells so good. I cannot believe that we have gone years without drinking these.
It smells like pancakes.
Pancakes. Well, yeah, like pancakes, French toast, like that kind of breakfast. That's what it smells like. Like brown, it smells like brown sugar. That's what it smells like. Anyways, we're heading home and I have a package that just arrived at home, and I'll do a little haul for you guys. And I have a package that arrived yesterday that I want to show you guys one of the items in there. I'll explain later. But yeah, we're heading home and our plan is to most likely not go back out if the roads stay like this. If the roads get a little bit better, Alex's mom asked us to hang out today, so maybe we'll do something with her, but it's really dependent on if the roads clear out or not. All right guys, we're back home. I put pajamas on because it's a snowy winter day and I did not feel like wearing regular clothes. Also, I wore my comfy joggers to go to Pilates this morning, and they're dirty, so I need to put them in the wash because the car was dirty, and my leg went on the car and the car is really dirty on the exterior, so my joggers are now dirty. So we're doing pajamas today, but it's still like super cozy and comfy. Anyways, I'm in my kitchen right now and I just wanted to show you guys my bake that I made this morning, my casserole, my egg casserole. So you guys probably saw when I was making it. Hello. Hello, you tiny little creature. Hi. Hi. I had to finish some ham that I had from like I think I took it out of the freezer like over a week ago, so I was like, oh, this is gonna go bad soon. And I was like, the best way to finish it all at once was to make a casserole. So I diced up some onions, some bell pepper, I cut up the ham, and then I mixed in a blender 4 eggs, 400 grams of egg whites, and 200 grams of cottage cheese and just added all that together. I did saute the veggies and the ham before. Anyways, I wanted them to be like a little softer, and then I added some cheese on top, and it turned out pretty good. It tastes like a casserole that my grandmother used to make when I was younger for breakfast, when we would stay over for breakfast. And yeah, it tasted really similar to that. I really like it a lot. I definitely recommend you guys give it a try. I also wanted to add potatoes into it, but I know my fiance likes to have like toast on the side, so I was like, I'm not gonna add potatoes and then him have toast on the side as well. But you could definitely add hash browns or tater tots or potatoes into this, and you can add like any type of meat or any type of veggie that you want in this, like as long as you have a good base. That's that. And then I cooked it at 425 for about 45 minutes, and it was ready after that. But my stove is a lot colder. Like, we're having issues with our stove right now where like the temperature doesn't reach its full potential. Like if I put 425, I'm pretty sure my oven is not at 425, and also the temperature drops once it hits 425. So it was kind of around 425 when I was cooking it. So anyways, right now I'm hungry. It's past 12 actually. Finished my coffee and I want to make some lunch, so I'm going to show you guys what we're making for lunch. Okay, so lunch is going to be super easy. We've got some leftover feta honey or hot honey chicken. The honey's not hot itself, but I did add like chili flakes and paprika to the chicken to make it on the spicier side, and then crumbled feta on top, and there's a bit of liquid in the bottom for like the sauce, which is just the honey that kind of melted when I was baking yesterday. If you guys are interested in that recipe, it is on my TikTok, or it should be on my TikTok by the time you guys see this, because I filmed it yesterday, but by the time you guys see this vlog, it'll be posted on my TikTok if you guys are interested. And I'm also gonna make some sweet potato. I really gotta finish this sweet potato here, so I'm gonna make some sweet potatoes in the air fryer, I think, and then also some broccolis, which is exactly what we had for dinner yesterday. But you know, leftovers sometimes just are better, so we're gonna do that. Don't really need to think too much about lunch. That's what I'm gonna make. Super easy, simple, and again, recipes on my TikTok. And just like that, we've got a quick leftover lunch, and that's just how we need it to be with all of the snow that we're having right now. We don't want to complicate our lives. And if you guys try out the hot honey feta chicken, let me know. It's actually so good. Again, recipe on my TikTok. What is up, you guys? It's a little later. I've been rotting on the couch. Like, it's just a gloomy winter day. It's just one of those days. But I'm getting hungry, so I made some chia seed pudding. This is actually a, not Nespresso, but tiramisu chia seed pudding. And if you want the recipe, again, it's on my TikTok. I've been posting recipes on my TikTok and it's been so much fun. So I'm gonna eat that as a snack, and then I'm still waiting for my package to get here, but I really want to open it with you guys. Basically, I ordered a few dresses. I accidentally ordered them in the wrong size, so I already have the ones that are in the wrong size. I ordered them in a large by accident. I want a medium, and the mediums are supposed to arrive today, and I ordered 2 dresses, both of them in large by accident. So I'm just waiting for them to get here so that I can show you guys the dresses, but in the right size. And because of the snow and the bad weather, the time that it's supposed to be delivered at just keeps getting pushed back and pushed back and pushed back, which is completely understandable. But I'm just like, I'm so excited to get them here to see how they fit, because obviously I can't see the fit with the large because they're too big on me. So waiting for that. Gonna have a snack. I'm gonna have to motivate myself to get my steps in today, because I'm just like feeling the slump. Like, I just want to sit on the couch and do nothing all day, but I'm like, I need to get my steps in. It's so important, and I know I'm gonna feel so much better once I do. So we will see where the day brings us from here, but it's already like 2 p.m. All right, you guys, I motivated myself. I'm in our office slash gym workout room, and I'm gonna do some steps. All right, you guys, the 10,000 steps are done. I did take a break in between because I was just like annoyed at doing steps, but we do have a wedding coming up in March. It's a very like casual type of wedding. Like, the groom's rented a restaurant for us to go for dinner with them. I think they're going to the courthouse that day, and then we're all meeting up at the restaurant. Like, we're not even going to the courthouse with them. It's a very like elopey type of wedding. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm so happy for them. But I need to find a dress. So the moment that I decided to start looking for the dress is when I stopped looking at the time for my steps. Did not find a dress for the wedding though, unfortunately, yet. Like, I have some ideas, but I don't know exactly what I want to wear. I don't have like a dress that I'm like, oh my god, yes, this is the one. And yeah, I don't want to wear black because I always go for like a classic black dress. I have a black dress that I could wear, but I don't want to wear a black dress. So I'm looking for like other colors to wear, but I'm just like very uncertain at what kind of dress I want. And it is in March and a lot of dresses are strapless or have very small straps. So I'm struggling right now, but I'll definitely show you guys eventually when I do find the dress. I'll probably do a little get ready with me on TikTok at some point the day of, or do a haul of dresses that I found. So make sure you're always following me on TikTok because I do post more frequently on TikTok. So if you guys want to be up to date on all the content, make sure you're following me there. All right, I don't know when my package from Zara is gonna arrive today. It keeps getting pushed back, which is completely fine. Again, like, the weather is so shitty outside today that I completely understand. But that being said, I don't know if I'll receive it today, and if I do, if it'll be in good lighting. So I want to show you guys what I got. Right now, while the lighting is still good, it is already like 4 and the sun sets around 5:50, almost 6 o'clock now, which is amazing. But I do want to get this content right now so that I can show you guys like when it's very bright. Okay, remember, these dresses are too big on me, so please keep that in mind. This is a large. It should be like at least a size smaller. But yeah, this is dress number 1. I love the bubble skirt on it. I think it's so cute, and the sleeves are very out of my comfort zone, but I love the look of them. Oh, obviously it's too big. Like, the top is obviously like way too big on me, but I think that in my right size, this could look super, super cute. For reference, like, these dresses are not for a fun occasion. They're actually for a funeral. I don't have a funeral dress at all, or any really good clothing that I could wear to a funeral, so I purchased these dresses for that reason specifically. And I think that this dress is very funeral appropriate. I think this is a dress that I will keep for a long time, and in the event where funerals happen, I will have a dress to wear. I was talking with my mother-in-law about this. She's like, oh, I have a funeral dress that I wear like every time there's a funeral, and I'm like, I don't have anything. So it's not for a fun occasion, but I am trying to find a good dress that if ever, again, a funeral occurs, then I have a dress to wear for that event. So I think this one is very, very appropriate. I love the sleeves on it. I think the sleeves look good. Obviously, again, too big on me, but I think this is a very, very solid option. But let me show you guys my second option. Okay, this is dress number 2, pretty much the same length, just a different top. It's not a bubble skirt either, but I do love the length on it. I love the V-shape, what is this called again? Basque waist. I love the basque waist on it. I think the top is very appropriate as well. Obviously, again, too big. It would need to be like just a little bit smaller. And for this dress, I would go buy a little black cardigan. H&M has a whole bunch of them, so I would just get a black cardigan from H&M to pair with this dress if ultimately I decide to go with this one. But I do love both options so much. I guess I'm just gonna have to see once I get the dresses in my size which one I prefer the most on me. Like I said, I'm only keeping one, but I do want to make sure that it's like a dress that I'll keep for a long time and that I'll have in my wardrobe, and obviously I want to be able to wear it for other things. So yeah, I think both are very solid options. And now we just have to wait to get the right size. I also got shoes, so let me just put them on and show you guys. Zara slayed with these shoes. Like, I am obsessed and I love them. Let me show you guys. Okay, the tag is still on, but these are the shoes. They have a little bit of a block heel and the cute bow on the top, and then this is what they look like on. I would obviously wear tights with the dress because it is winter, but I think the shoes are also very appropriate. They look very good, and I'll definitely get a chance to wear them for different occasions. We also have a wedding coming up, like I mentioned, in March, and my intention is to wear the shoes for the wedding. But yeah, this is what I got from Zara. The shoes are a definite keep, and they were only, I think, like $55, which might be expensive for some people for shoes, but like for heels, it's not expensive at all. So slay. This is my second pair of heels that I've gotten from Zara, and they slay every single time. So that's what I got from Zara. I really wanted to show you guys. I do think that these are really good pieces. I think Zara is very hit or miss with their pieces, depending on if the quality's there or not. And these are 100% great quality pieces. I'm obsessed. Like, the dresses are a thick material, it's stretchy material, like it's a really, really amazing material and good quality. So I'm very happy with these purchases. And again, the shoes, like, I love the shoes. I think they're so freaking cute. Like, yes, so cute. And I needed to have a block heel because I love the kitten heel, but block heels are just a safer bet and more stable. So, oh my god, I've got the tag right in my neck. But yeah, that's what I got from Zara. And now again, just waiting for the pieces in my size to arrive. I just made some very authentic carbonara, but it turned out so creamy. Like, the sauce base is very authentic. The bacon and green onions is not, but yeah, it looks so creamy. I'm so happy. The last time I made carbonara did not turn out this good. Then we also have some crispy chicken that I'm making on the side, and the mess in my kitchen from cooking alone. My fiance was supposed to help me, and then right as we were about to start, we forgot about the laundry. So I was like, oh my god, you need to go take care of the laundry and I'm gonna take care of this. So yeah, we kind of like split tasks, but dinner is ready. I'm so excited to eat. This is gonna be so freaking good. I didn't time my chicken well though. My carbonara came together so much faster than I thought it would, and the chicken is not ready yet, so I'm a little stressed about that, but I don't think it's a big deal. I'm gonna clean my kitchen and I will do a little taste test for you guys when we're eating. All right, chicken taste test. Cheers. You know what? The chicken is so good for chicken that's done in a pan. And I just put a little bit of olive oil, so I didn't want it to be like drenched in oil. Turned out so good. Now let's taste test the carbonara. I'm afraid because of my bad timing, it is not as creamy as it was maybe like 5 minutes ago, but I think it's gonna taste good nonetheless. Cheers. That is so good and cheesy. I love it. So for the recipe, I'll link a few TikToks down below that I watched to guide me on this recipe for the carbonara. And then for the chicken, all I did was use the egg whites from the eggs for the carbonara sauce, and did a double, I guess double dipping, like not double dipping, but when you use them, like you dip the chicken twice in the egg wash and then twice in the breadcrumb mixture with salt and pepper in the breadcrumb mixture in a pan, olive oil. So good. Definitely recommend you guys give this a try. All right, you guys, ending the night off with some red light therapy. I just got this mask from Omnilux yesterday, actually. This is my second night using it. I'll definitely update you guys at some point to let you know the progress that I see with it. I'm very, very hopeful and optimistic with all the results and reviews that I've seen online. But yeah, I'm gonna end my night with a 10-minute of this and just relaxing. I've got my show on. I'm watching Gilmore Girls, my classic tried and true. I love this show so much, my comfort show. So I'm gonna watch a bit of that with my mask on and then go to bed. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.